Hello guys, welcome back to another of my tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how to find the maximum number in a range of cells in MS Excel. For this case, I've already insert some dummy data here to use. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and it is already common knowledge that 50 is the maximum number. But for the sake of you, my audience, I want to show you how you use the maximum function in Excel to be able to find the maximum value in a range of cells. So we put our cursor into where the cell where you want to have the maximum value. You start with an equal sign, then you type max for maximum. Already Excel will repopulate for you what is expected. Then you open the bracket and then put the first number from your age. We already know that this number here in this cell, which is our first number, is 10, is in cell A1. Then you put what you call a full colon, and then you type the last number, which is cell E1. E1, then you close the bracket, and then you click on enter. And you can see that it returns the value of 50 as our maximum. For those who'd like to use another method, you can use this. Start with an equal sign, put max, then open the bracket. Then instead of literally typing the cell numbers for the range, you just left click on the first cell or the first value. Then you drag all the way to the last one, and then you press enter and give you the same result. So in the next tutorial, we are going to look at now finding the minimum value in a range of cells. Welcome, and remember to subscribe and also comment and also share this video.